So far, we've been talking about climate-related risks and how they impact life, how they impact businesses, how they impact women. Now, what exactly can be done about climate-related risks? There are two dimensions to this. We will look at what financial institutions can do, and then we will look at what supervisors can do. Now we look at what financial institutions can do about climate-related risk. A few things that they can do. The first one is that financial institutions can invest in equity instruments and companies that actually mitigate climate risks or improve climate risk resilience. So, for example, financial institutions can invest and promote green bonds and pro-climate equity funds. Again, financial institutions, especially insurance companies, can expand coverage of national and regional catastrophe insurance schemes to cover all relevant areas where especially the vulnerable are, not forgetting women and children as we have um, talked about. Now, financial institutions need to take steps to measure and disclose the carbon footprint of their investment. In other words, to what extent have the investment that they make contributed to the increase or reduction in global warming, increase or reduction in the emission of greenhouse gases? The investment that the financial institutions make in bonds, in equities, in fixed income, how do these impact climate risk? It is important for financial institutions to take steps to measure and to disclose these carbon footprint, just so that we'll keep track and we can monitor and make sure, check whether we are making progress or we are lagging behind, in which case more action will need to be taken. Financial institutions can also take steps to measure and reduce the climate exposure and to also report on progress made in achieving set objectives. So without reporting, it's going to be difficult. So they have to set objectives and actually take steps to measure progress towards meeting these objectives and maybe publish these in their financial statement or some other document to let everybody see. That will encourage them, encourage other companies, encourage all stakeholders to contribute to the effort of getting there. Lastly, financial institutions can join the Caring for Climate movement, which is the UN's initiative of getting all institutions and organizations to do something about global warming. So far, about 400 companies from 60 countries have joined Caring for the Climate initiative, and some great work is going on there, and it's really useful. Really would be useful if financial institutions join this movement and contribute towards the action to stem the tide of climate, global warming, and its related risks.